Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how are you doing today? This is another part of the collection we brought down from San Jose, 500 pieces. So keep watching. We'll be listening as many as we can per day. This is really a beautiful piece. This is a porcelain Pickwick Greyhound line sign, flange sign. You'll see it on both sides. We got it hanging on its own hanger that'll come with it. Pickwick was a part of the Greyhound company, made coaches for them. So you take a look at it, it's beautiful details. As I said, it's double-sided. So if you're looking for a great flange sign, you're into Pickwick Greyhound as general, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.